Sa ceiling tayo. Number 4 was series. Ito yung beams. Galing sa walls. Pag gumawa ka ng wall, automatic na yung beam sa ibabaw. For example, here, gagawin tayong wall. Ayan. Pagpunta mo sa beams, meron siya. Ulit dito. So, wall. Meron ko ng beam column. Okay. Now, since hindi natin kailangan ito, delete natin. Okay. So, dahil sa ceiling, meron tayong mga beams na wala siya sa plano. Sabihin, kailangan siya i-delete. So, let's do it. Okay, delete. There we go. This one here. And then, pag titingnan mo, okay, so ito mo, nag-delete na. Dito mo, slot. And then, punta tayo sa ceiling. Alright, so, there you go. Ang ceiling natin is 2.6. Okay, so, metal frame. There you go. Give my space. Hit click. So, meron din click. And then, hit enter. Alright, so, pag hit na enter, you have to make sure na nag-register yan by clicking boards. And so boards natin is 10mm boral gypsum board. Finish natin is mathematics. So we can make this as our option 1. Okay, option 1. So 10mm gypsum board middle frame, 81.51 square meters, boys and flat lattice white. So pag lattice white talagang babang 55.90. Yes. Ito 334. Meron tayong labor na 150. That's painting 150. Well, meron tayong tractor. Channel, carrying channel, thread, how to clip that on washer, firing, double clip, gypsum putty, gypsum screw, concrete nail, drive pin cartridge. Let's make this our option 1. Gusto natin gawin ng comparisons yung iba't ibang thing, and ayan, yun lang. Capture, or maybe you want a white background, so just press the delete button there. Knitting tool. Alright, then save it. Option 1, gypsum ceiling. Desktop. So tatlo lang. Insert picture, gypsum ceiling. Okay, so go to control cost. No, we're to delete section. Okay, cost is in here. Control C. Tabi natin dito yung value. And let's copy this one. Control C. Go to there. Ayan. Ayan. Excel, starter, press this one here. Ayan, so first option. So second option, we want to make it, let's say, moisture resistant. Okay, moisture resistant. So let's see what's there. Sport 4000, control C. That would be option 2. Control V. Let's make it larger. Let's round it up. For 4,700. The other one is 41,000. This is option 2 with 12 mm MR gypsum. This one here is 10 mm gypsum ceiling. Delete. Snipping tool. New. Let's save it as option 2 MR gypsum. Desktop, option 2 insert. There we go. This one is 10 mm. Okay, there. We're framing here. Let's delete this one here. Proceed with the lumber. option 3 plywood. Board. So option 3 plywood. Insert. There we have it. Put there. Delete. Costing. That's 67,000. Delete. And then option 3 plywood. Let's try clear on that.